Hi, I'm Katalin, the creator of Creative English in Hungary. Now I'm here on behalf of Expert Village. Today I'm going to show you how to make ornaments to the top of the Christmas tree. Let's do it with the other one. And then press it down for a while. You can use your hand or you can use another object. So maybe a heavy object would do that you put on the top. You can also turn it around and then you can press the two together. You can press it down with your hands or you can put a heavy object on the top. And then you can put it aside for a while.